It's time for the real crimes of Kurri Kurri, where we discover a new individual who is currently Kurri's most wanted. Now, there's always people who don't show up for their case at Kurri Kurri Local Court, and they can be dealt with in a couple of different ways. Sometimes a warrant is issued for their arrest. Remember, there was a warrant issued at Kurri early in the year for a woman. Well, now in late May, the court issues a warrant for a man. Now, I'm discussing this situation for the purpose of understanding what are the consequences of failing to appear at Kurri Kurri Local Court. It's not about how long it takes them to get arrested, because that takes as long as it takes. Rather, how does the court deal with people who fail to appear? I have no idea what this guy allegedly done to have a case at Kurri Kurri Local Court. That's not discussed out loud. On this day, the court attempts to work out if the guy has been served with the court attendance notice, because he can't fail to appear if he hasn't been served a notice to appear. There's a bit of unpacking because it's possible this guy has got a bit going on at the New South Wales Local Court. It sounds like this guy also has a case at Queanbeyan Local Court and allegedly failed to show up there in either May or April 2025. So Queanbeyan issued a warrant for his arrest. A little while later, Cessnock Police, acting on the warrant from Queanbeyan, arrested this guy. What this guy's connection with Queanbeyan and Cessnock and Kurri, I have no idea. So while at Cessnock Police Station for the Queanbeyan matter, the paperwork from police claimed that the guy was served the court attendance notice for this Kurri case at 1:45 a.m. So that's the evidence that demonstrates police have served the guy. Now it's late May and the guy is a no-show at Kurri. So the court proceeds in the guy's absence and finds the two offences proven. I still have no idea what the actual offences are because it wasn't said out loud. The court wants the defendant present in the courtroom to be sentenced. So a warrant is issued for his arrest again. This defendant looks like he has had 2 warrants for failing to show up at 2 different local courts. So my question is, what are the consequences for failing to show up at both Queanbeyan and Kurri Kurri local courts? Let's watch for his arrest and see if we can find out the consequences.